Good morning, all of you. Today's topic is mood disorder. Mood disorder are a group of psychiatric illness in which the primary disturbance is that of mood, accompanied by a change in the activity of the individual. There is also disturbance in thought and behavior. These changes are persistent. If we are talking about etiology, then we can see biological factor. Biological neurotransmitters. Some studies indicate that noradrenergic and nor noradrenergic and dopaminergic activity to decreased in depression and increased in hypomania and mania. If we are talking about neuroendocrine factors, hyperactivity of hypothalamus, pituitary, and adrenal axis has been postulated in depression. Subclinical hypothyroidism has been reported in some depressed patients. Cerebral structural abnormalities, ventricular enlargement on MRI is more common in bipolar disorder patients than in depressed patients. If we are talking about genetic factors, bipolar disorders has a stronger genetic transmission than major depressive disorder. Psychological and behavior theory. Stressful life events often precede first episode of mood disorder. Loss of a parent before 11 year or loss of a spouse or the mostly associated with the onset of depression. Clinical features. A major depressive disorder is a course that is characterized by one or more depressive episodes without a history of manic episode. Bipolar first disorder is characterized by the occurrence of one or more manic episodes. Major depressive episodes may or may not be occurred. Bipolar second disorder is characterized by the occurrence of one or more manic episode and at least one manic episode. If we are talking about major depressive episode, then depressive symptomatology is persistent for a minimum period of 2 weeks, during which there is either depressed mood or loss of interest. The mood may be described as feeling sad, hopeless, and discouraged. Manic episodes. Manic episodes is characterized by an abnormally and persistently elevated mood for at least 1 week. The elevated mood may be described as unusually good or and cheerful. Speech is loud, rapid, and difficulty to interrupt. इफ़ अगर हम डिफरेंशियल डायग्नोसिस देखें तो several psychiatric and medical disorder must be considered prior to diagnosis of mood disorder. Bereavement follows the loss of a loved one and are characterized by depressive system unless these depressive symptoms unless these symptoms persist for more than 2 months. A diagnosis of major depressive should not be made. Medical conditions which may present with mood disorder include hypothyroidism, multiple sclerosis, antihypertensive, and steroid can also induce depression. Course and prognosis. An untreated episode of major depression usually lasts for 6 to 12 months. About 50% of patients with the first episode of major depression are likely to have a second episode. Patients with bipolar first disorder have a poorer prognosis than to patients with major depressive disorder. If we are talking about treatment, then we can give Indications for hospitalization include risk of suicide and severity of symptoms. Symptoms should be brought under control either by with antidepressant or antimanic agents. Drug must be used in adequate dose for adequate period, and antidepressant drug should be given for at least 6 months. A combination of pharmacotherapy and psychotherapy is the most effective. Immediate stressful life event must be addressed in the early stages of treatment. Support of family and friend must be enhanced.